Leo and Maya were the best of friends, but they were also complete opposites. Leo loved rules and straight lines, while Maya loved colors and wild, winding shapes. They had to build a model of a futuristic city for their science class, and they were both excited to start. Leo unrolled the blueprint and declared, "A city must be logical. We will build perfect cubes and tall, straight towers, just like the plans say." He believed that precision was the key to a great city. Maya, however, had a different idea. "But a city should be beautiful. It should have swirling rivers and buildings that look like flowers," she said. She believed that creativity was the most important thing. Their different ideas turned into a big disagreement. They argued about which way was better, and soon the model sat unfinished between them, a chaotic mix of straight lines and curved shapes. The silence was louder than their words had been. Leo felt frustrated that Maya wouldn't listen to his logical plan. He thought she was being difficult and didn't understand the importance of following instructions. He sat alone, staring at the blueprint, feeling stuck. Maya felt hurt that Leo didn't respect her creative vision. She thought he was being stubborn and didn't appreciate her artistic ideas. She decided that a good partnership wasn't about being right, but about working together. She took a deep breath and decided to be the first to reach out. Maya walked over to Leo. "What if we make the city both?" she asked. "Your perfect buildings and my flowing rivers." Leo's face brightened as he looked at her. He had been so focused on his own plan, he hadn't considered a new one. They started working together again, talking through every step. They learned to listen to each other's ideas and find a way to combine them. They were building a city, but they were also building trust. When a tall tower they built together accidentally toppled over, they didn't blame each other. Instead, they worked together to fix it. They realized that supporting each other was more important than getting it right the first time. The final city was a masterpiece. It had Leo's perfect buildings and Maya's beautiful rivers, and it was a testament to what they built together, a city and a stronger friendship.